Good afternoon students. Today we will study Unit 1 Lecture 10 of Organic Chemistry, Reactions of Diazonium Salt. So replacement by hydrofluoride ion. When arene diazonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid, arene diazonium fluorophorate is precipitated, which on heating decomposes to yield aryl fluoride. The benzene diazonium chloride, this azo group, this in the presence of HbF4 use on benzene ring N2PF4, that is diazonium fluoroborate is here, it is precipitated, which on heating you are getting on benzene ring F, that is fluorobenzene. That means N2Cl group is replaced by fluorine. Next reaction, replacement by hydrogen. Mild reducing agent like hypophosphorus acid reduce the diazonium salt to arene themselves and themselves get oxidized to phosphorus acid. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of H3PO2 gives benzene. That means azo group is replaced by benzene. That means benzene is formed. That means here we are having hydrogen. If you are not writing also, hydrogen is present. So N2Cl group is reduced to benzene. Replacement by hydroxyl group. If the temperature of the diazonium salt solution is allowed to rise up to 283 K, the salt gets hydrolyzed to phenol. So in this N2Cl gets hydrolyzed to phenol. On benzene ring OH, that is phenol is formed. When you are warming it to 283 K, you are getting phenol. Next reaction is replacement by nitro group. When diazonium fluoroborate is heated with aqueous sodium nitrite solution in the presence of copper, the diazonium group is replaced by NO2 group. This is benzene diazonium chloride. In the presence of HbF4, we are getting diazonium fluoroborate. Then when heating it with sodium nitrite and copper, you are getting on benzene ring NO2, that is nitrobenzene is formed. That means N2Cl group is replaced by nitro group. Nitrobenzene is formed. Reduction of diazonium salt to hydrazine. Formula of hydrazine is NH2 bond NH2. Benzene diazonium chloride can be reduced to hydrazine using SnCl2 HCl, that is stannous chloride in the presence of HCl as reducing agent. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of stannous chloride and HCl generate nascent hydrogen. You are getting phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride. So this hydrazine NH2. So one of the H is replaced by this phenyl group and you are getting phenyl hydrazine hydrochloride. So reduction diazonium salt into Cl group is replaced by azine hydrazine. Reaction involving retention of diazo group. Next reactions are coupling reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol to form hydroxyazobenzene. This is benzene diazonium chloride. In the presence of phenol, you are getting para-hydroxyazobenzene. So para position means 1,4 position is there. So para-hydroxyazobenzene is formed. So N means here N double bond and Cl is there, and here what is happening, para-hydroxy, this group is attaching here and HCl is removed. Here HCl is removed and you are getting para-hydroxyazobenzene is formed in coupling reaction. Next reaction is benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline, yields p-aminoazobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of this is aniline gives para-aminoazobenzene. Here also HCl is getting removed and in para position the group is getting attached, aniline group, and you are getting para-aminoazobenzene is formed. Synthetic applications of diazo coupling. Dyestuffs. Aromatic azo compounds are colored, hence they are used as dyestuffs. These compounds classified into three groups. So they are classified into three groups, these dyestuffs. First group of azo compounds are neutral dyes. They are neutral dyes. Dye is a what is a dye? Dye is a compound, organic compound or inorganic compound which adhere to the fabric in such a way that it is fast to normal washing. That means if you are washing also, that is not getting washed off, that is known as a dye. So this first group of azo compounds are neutral dye. An example is para red, which is prepared by coupling of 2-naphthol with para nitrobenzene diazonium chloride. This is 2-naphthol. Then again this again gives para nitrobenzene diazonium salt and the para red compound is formed. The second group of azo compound possesses either a sulfonic acid group or an amino group. Examples are orange to an acidic dye and Bismarck brown are a basic dye. Here also 2-naphthol is there, and then again here they are getting coupling reaction is taking place and you are getting acidic dye orange 2. This type of structure is there. This is the structure. This is the structure of orange to dark. Next, another is Bismarck brown is formed by this type of reaction. We are getting Bismarck brown. This is also a dye. Azo compound then contain chelating group. What is a chelating group? That react with metal ions to form a stable water soluble complex. To bind with a metal ion such as aluminum 3 are called used as modern dye. What is a modern dye? Substance used to bind the dye is known as modern dye. An example is alizarin yellow R. So this type of reaction is taking place. This is salicylic acid. Then this type of compound is there, and you are getting alizarin yellow. This is also one of the applications of azo compounds. Thank you.